Hey brother, is everything okay? Is your woman still mad at you? Is she? Come on. She don't want to cook for you? Ah, that's what it is. I got you, brother. Follow me. Woo! Now today, I'm gonna teach you how to cook a simple but yet delicious chicken cutlet sandwich. I know, it doesn't sound crazy or fancy, but listen, your woman don't want to cook for you, you don't know how to cook, you don't want to be going out buying fast food, getting fat. I'm gonna show you right now what you need for this recipe. For this recipe, you're gonna need a cutting board, bread, chicken cutlets, butter, cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, avocado, a sauce of your choice. Today I'm trying this Subway rustic garlic sauce. Now the first thing you want to do is wash those veggies, okay? That's what I'm about to do now. Chill, I'm not wasting any water, chill. Now we want to cut them up. Let's see how we're gonna do this. I don't know if the knife is not working properly or this tomato is not good, but for some particular reason, they cannot coexist. I don't know what's happening. All right, now with the lettuce, we're gonna cut it in half first. Just like that. See, with the lettuce, it's smooth. Rinse it. Look at this avocado, yo. Ooh. Perfection. Yeah. So with a spoon, I will take these out. Now, before we do anything else, we're gonna proceed with the chicken cutlets, okay? I bought these right here from ShopRite. Usually I go with regular chicken cutlets, but today I wanted to try out something different, and we have the spicy chicken cutlets. And for this recipe, I got this Portuguese bread. This is not my favorite. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is not my favorite. But here's the thing though, I preferred Italian bread or that French type bread. Here's the problem with them though, they usually last about 2 to 3 days. After that, they get hard as shit, and it is impossible for you to actually eat them. These right here will last you about 10 days. So that's why I bought them. It's more about convenience than anything else. I want to be able to make another chicken cutlet sandwich 2 to 3 days from now. So buying an Italian bread, it's not gonna cut it for you if you want to let it sit for a little bit. So that's why I bought the Portuguese bread. Now it's time to prepare that bread. That's how I like to do it. This is the regular dudes, right? They eat something like that. The big bags, you know what I mean? This for the big bags right here, and this for me. I'm just playing, son. She'll leave it right there. Get the mozzarella cheese. I'm making a mess here, man. Cut a couple of slices like that. This one there. Put one here. All right, so the chicken cutlets are not ready yet. So in the meantime, I'm gonna make me some Kool-Aid, all right? I'm a big bag, and that's okay. As long as you work it out later, we good to go, baby. Come on now, don't judge me because of it. And plus, it's Sunday today. Today's my day off. I can eat anything. All you need is water and Kool-Aid. Shake it off and you're good to go, baby. You get some water. Oh, shit. All right, I don't think this one is good. I had to switch it up real quick. We're going with that orange. All right. A scoop like that. A few scoops just like that. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. See what we're working with. Look at that beauty right there. Now guys, the chicken cutlet is ready, okay? And what we wanna do is, this bread right here, you wanna put it in the air fryer as well. Ooh, look how crispy that sounds. You probably can't hear it, because I got this mic on, but that sounds crispy. Now, would you look at this right here? Yes, sir. Again, 3 minutes, 375 in the air fryer. Look at this beauty right here. Look at this. Now, before I forget, you sprinkle some salt and pepper. Do not go too crazy with the salt and pepper, okay? Just like that. Finally, we touch it up with the rustic garlic sauce. I'm trying this Subway sauce. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but hopefully it is good. All right. Let's just see how I did. I just know this is gonna be good. I don't care. I just know it's gonna be good. Here we go. I didn't get much of the chicken there, but everything else is just amazing. Let's see. God damn. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And see you on the next Cooking with Jeff, I guess. I don't know. Thank you for watching, man. See you guys on the next one. Bye.